Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Reviews. As part of the Umidigi X video that we did, they came with Umidigi pods, same kind of writing on the front of it. I think these retail for about 20 bucks or so US shipped, which is pretty good value for wireless headphones. The box is identical to the Umidigi U watch we got not too long ago. A little bit bigger box, but the same kind of design. It's kind of cool to see. So I assume, see what's inside the box here. It's probably a thank you card. Yeah, exactly. Thank you card. Thank you for choosing Umidigi. There's a QR code if you want to follow them. There's an instruction manual. Kind of tells you what, where, and how. Looks like we got English, Spanish, German. Looks like Japanese maybe. It's pretty good. Probably not much to it anyway. Looks like there's 3 little rubber pieces inside here. I assume one's a spare and 2 are smaller than what's installed on them already. Got a micro USB cable. Standard cable, looks pretty short. And the pods themselves come in a case. Let's see here. I guess it tells you to remove the plastic film before you use them. I guess the case charges them as well. Yeah, it does. And let's see here, we got the film on them, and yeah, the film just stayed behind, but let's plug this thing in. Oh, there you go. Looks like that guy's already going here, so it's kind of cool. There's a little indicator here in the center, 4 little lights. See if you can get the other one going here. See what it does. Oh, and they're both charging, I guess. That's a good sign. Yeah, nice little box. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thanks.